Other than what we had out in Oldham County earlier this morning, where the National Weather Service was out near the Crestwood area, and they confirmed an EF1 tornado from earlier this morning. Winds 100 miles per hour. We had some damage photos brought in near the Udell Botanical Gardens. They lost their oldest pine tree earlier this morning. Here's some more from the video around the Oldham County and the Crestwood area. You can see those trees snapped, falling down on homes. This was around the 6 o'clock hour early this morning. Look at those big trees down by those very powerful winds, even a little bit of hail out across the area with that. And you can see those trees just pushed on over. So again, it was a confirmed EF1 tornado that it did at least some of this damage across Oldham County. Now let's talk about Futurecast and as we look ahead to thunder over Louisville tomorrow. The storm system we're watching closely will be in Texas tomorrow morning. Ohio River Valley, nice and dry. We're going to front in the day with sunshine. We're going to see some clouds from the showers and thunderstorms to the south and west. Those will start thickening up Saturday afternoon, but notice we are dry as we head through the afternoon, all in good shape. By evening time in fireworks, most of that rain still off to our west. A spotty shower can't be ruled out, but the bulk of the rain, some of those yellows and deeper shades of green, some heavier soaking rain, a few rumbles of thunder overnight, move in after the midnight hour and into your Sunday morning. That's when the bulk of the rain will be. So in your thunder forecast for the air show, a mix of clouds and sun. Highs should be pleasant in the upper 60s. We'll have a light northeast breeze through the day. It'll start picking up at night. A few showers will be possible, but only about a 20 to 30% chance for the fireworks program. So a lot better opportunity that will stay dry through all of thunder over Louisville, with the better rain chances coming after midnight Saturday night into Sunday. We'll talk much more about that rain. Some of it could be heavy across the area coming up in the complete look at your forecast in just a few minutes. Jennifer?
All right, Matt, thank you. Compromise on Capitol Hill.